So let's begin. So welcome. It's a small chocolate shop. We sell chocolate. So what we do is that we explain from cocoa pods how we make chocolate. So cocoa pods, they grow on trees. Inside the pods there are seeds, cocoa beans. And what we do is that we have to grow these pods and remove the seeds and then place them to dry. Now the sun dries them and turns them brown. And that's how we sell them. The painting behind you shows you how to dry them. Wooden trays dry them and they spend 3 days in the sun. But before they are dried, the cocoa beans are first fermented. You put those wet seeds in a wooden box and you place banana leaves on top of them. So we ferment the seeds and dry them. Now after this process, cocoa beans, they turn brown like almonds, and that's how they're sold. So we sell them, and the factory's first job is to roast them. Now once they're roasted and toasted, they actually smell the actual chocolate. But I want you to actually try one of these cocoa beans, because what we do is that we actually suck them. So what we do, we actually suck them. So what we do is that we put them to dry and then we sell them. When they're sold, you could roast them. But suck them, don't bite them. All right. When you finish, you can spit them out. When you roast them, you crush them and smell them. How it smells?
Yeah, it smells like chocolate, like dark chocolate, like 100% cacao.
There we go. So what we do is that we put them in a grinder. We grind them. It spends 48 hours grinding, 2 days grinding. 2 days grinding cocoa nibs, and we have chocolate. But before we make chocolate in the Caribbean, we always made something stronger than chocolate. So look what happens. The malts and pestle is what we grind, what we use. We crush those seeds. After we crush them, what happens? We get this oily paste. So let me grind them right here. Let's see what happens. So you use this grinder and you're going to grind the cocoa beans. And this is what we get. Smell? Squeeze, squeeze, smell.
A very strong chocolate smell.
A very small chocolate smell, huh? So we leave them, and in 20 minutes, look, you boil them in water, and then you get to drink them. That should make cocoa tea. Cocoa tea. So if you want to make hot chocolate, what you would buy is not a pack of cocoa ball, you buy powder, cocoa powder. Sometimes it's called Nesquik or Milo, a Swiss mix. So this cocoa ball contains oil. But if you squeeze the oil out of it, you actually get cocoa butter and cocoa powder. This is the machine. This machine here is what we use. It's a hydraulic heat press. You're going to put cocoa paste in this compression unit, fire beneath, and a pan to collect the oil. So we're going to add heat, compress it, and we collect the oil. Now when we collect the oil, it's placed in the refrigerator and it turns cream.
This is the cocoa butter.
Yeah. You rub it in your hands.
Wow.
And you rub it on your skin. Smells pretty good, right?
It smells like real cocoa. Well, it is real cocoa butter, but it smells
so phenomenal. Because many times we actually buy these products, they are diluted and stretched. If you buy Palmer's, it's 15%, this is 100%.
Yeah.
So it's very, very pure, very strong. We also have them perfumed Yeah, and we also have them liquid as well. This one is liquid cocoa butter. We have this one here available. That's liquid cocoa butter. Yeah, smells pretty good. You apply them on your skin clears up, it gets healthy. A cocoa ball, you know, when you boil them in water, so when you buy them, you put on a pot over the fire with water and you boil them. And it melts into a chocolate drink called cocoa tea. It's oily, it's rich and tasty. My grandmother added some sugar and some milk, and you drink it. You boil them, you drink it. So this is what we drink in the Caribbean. But in the big countries, well, we do also buy cocoa powder, but we don't do it as much. We more drink cocoa tea. But if you squeeze the oil out, cocoa stays back like this. This is cocoa without any oil. Smells like cocoa.
Yeah.
Cocoa powder, yeah? This is grinded into cocoa powder. So you buy a pack of cocoa powder, it's cocoa. Yeah? So these are the pure products we have here. But of course, we haven't tasted the chocolates as yet. We do not separate the butter from the powder. We keep grinding the paste into chocolate. This is 80% chocolate. 80%. It's very, very intense. Very, very pure. It's probably even very strong. But once you add more sugar, it gets better.
It's good though.
It's good?
Yeah, I like it.
Let's try one with nutmeg. %60 chocolate. This is 80% chocolate.
Yeah, it's really good.
With nutmeg. So when you look at this one, you buy them, that's what you'll be tasting. And of course, we have many companies. Some companies have coconut milk. Some has mint. We have these large packs here. So we have a wide array of chocolates here. All right. But guess what? They contain no milk. And that's why they call it dark chocolate. When they contain milk, then the chocolate bars, they will melt. And doctors wouldn't recommend them. So the Snickers, the M&Ms, they contain milk, caramel, cream, preservatives, additives. But these from Grenada, you try them to taste very pure, very rich. Yeah? So, doctors, they're saying the more we eat dark chocolate is better for our brain and our heart. So, chocolate bars contain nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, it actually expands the arteries leading to the heart, which means you eat chocolate bars like this or you drink cocoa tea and blood flow is increased to the heart, helping your heart to become stronger. So doctors say heart attacks, stroke, seizures, they drop when you eat and consume more cocoa. Now that's great news for the brain as well because the brain gets more blood. So Alzheimer's, dementia, pulmonary epilepsy, they go down as well. So the more you consume them this healthy, you get to become healthy and strong and it's just very, very tasty as well. So we have ice creams, cheesecakes, bonbons, macaroons, we have rum and chocolate. But doctors say that also affects your mood. If you're stressed out and depressed, you eat chocolate bars with this amount of cocoa, and you feel happy, you feel more relaxed. And that's great news for Parkinson's disease. Because Parkinson's disease, well, guess what? Theobromine is a chemical in cocoa butter, in chocolate bars that help lower the stress chemicals. When the stress chemicals, they drop, happy chemicals in the brain is produced like serotonin and dopamine. And dopamine production in the brain helps prevent Parkinson's disease. The shakes, and that's why drinking cocoa tea and eating dark chocolate is very healthy.
Okay.
And that's what we do. We do a small demonstration. And after this demonstration, you get to enjoy the shop on your own. Purchase the products. We have banana breads, we have cheesecakes, we have ice creams, we have many, many products. We have nut mixing months. So you're going to look around, take your time, keep recording, keep videotaping, and definitely enjoy more of the shop. And thank you for coming.